Hi vlog, welcome and welcome back. Today is gonna be an amazing day because we're going on a hike and my friend invited me to go with them and I'm so excited. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys through my day. Let's go, let's go. So guys, I'm bringing my camera with me and some treasure, and I'm gonna wait here outside for my friend. He's gonna pick me up because my bike is in their house. Oh my god, I forgot to get my helmet. I need to get my helmet. But the keys is in. So guys, I need to go back inside because I forgot my helmet. I need to bring my helmet for safety purposes. My keys is open. My helmet is just over here. So I just got my helmet here, and I think my friend is here to pick me up. He rides my bike. Yes. Ha? Ikaw na? Aray. So I was staying here because it rained yesterday. Hi guys, I'm picking up my friend, Brittany. Need to call her.
One eternity later.
Walang joke lagi.
Di mo makadto.
Wala mo nakita. Pero baka sa video nakita. Ate kasakit eh.
Ano?
Ni rep. Sugat. Ito ni. Pangasa ka mo si.
Hello. Feel the coldness of the bukit. Oh yeah. Guys, the water is so very clean. Guys, the water is the watering. The watering is the water.
Bagal ko to na.
Hi guys. So, I'm gonna have to change my shoes. I'm going to wear my Havaiana slipper and you have to wear it.
Saka yung bag ma'am.
Thank you, Kuya. Naglaki naman ako sa river. Char. Ah! Ang lamig! I love it. Here we go.
Pwede kayo dito ma'am?
Sure.
Sir, grupe kami dyan. Grupe kayo dyan.
Finally! I'm gonna say hi. Oh guys, I just changed a slipper. And I think they're gonna take pictures for us. Ah! So, yeah, we need to pay. And where the hell is my wallet?
Hindi siya nakakapagod.
Kahit isang
Ginusto namin to, sige.
Ginusto natin to, kaya
Sige. Fights.
pagampanan. So, here's the river. Over there. And I'm right here.
Go, go, go.
And we're going to... Oh my God, my bag. Hindi, wag mo nakinig. Hello po.
Batake na tayo. Tour guide yan sa Lake Hulon.
Yan ako mo. My friend over there. She's... Ma'am! Para akong mag-give up na, ma'am! Parosa ba to?
COA.
Yan, di magagad-hagad. Tamo?
Sabi ko na eh, basta yan, wala.
Kakayanin. So guys, we're just getting here. We're waiting for our friends. Come up here. Oh, grabe. Bye-bye, ma'am. So, we're going up now. They have similarities of Lake Holon. Look how pretty that is. Feels so good to be like here in nature. You know what's funny, guys, is that I'm here doing this hike and I didn't pay my bills yet. And that is crazy because look where I'm at right now. I don't know where to find me. And today is a due day of my bill. You know, I just want to get away from the city and smell the breeze of this. I'm so happy that I'm here. Okay, there's a kubo. There's a kubo right there. You can see it. This is actually the trail, but guys, because we got here, I think it's already late, like 3 p.m. And you know, we still need to get back to Takro. So guys, we're just gonna sit here for a while waiting for them. And I'm gonna show you the view. Guys, the view. Look at this freaking view. Oh my god. Where's mine? Ay, nasa ba?
Sana yung excited mag-hiking, na-miss mag-hiking.
Guys, why does my eyebrows look like it's laminated? Sige, vlog! Vlog daghan. Doing this hike, and I have so many things to do in the city. Oh my gosh! O, yung camera mo andito. Wala ka magagawa. Kasi mabigat yung bag ko. Uy, man! Gosh, yung lapit na lang ko nahulog. Guys. Wow. Para akong mahulog sa gilid. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko na nakakontrol ang aking... Guys, may falls. Wow, guys. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh. Baka malalim eh, ma. Eh? Wah! Ma! Na-stuck! Na-stuck!
Lamig!
Thank you so much! Ma'am! Binigyan namin ko! Isa pa! Slide! Bukog mo! Bakit sinabali na ng bukog mo? Uy mo, sinabali mo bukog! Gagi na ba sa iyang ano nga? Slide gani! Huwag ka nga nagampal! Tamba ko gani na, hinala ka mag-slide! Hi guys, we're here! Wow, this is amazing. It is amazing. Yay, we're going back. Samok. Ano naman? Ano man naman? May panagtiniil ka. Ikaw naman din. Hindi ko pagdala ha kay Masi. Tumaga kita karon. Loso kita tutunga karon. Guys. Now let's go down. Nay lang dia. Panguyat ko. Thank you so much.
Basta.
Yes, guys. This is what I need. This is what I need. Woo. Yeah. Guys, we're going home.
Atau boleh kunci?
And I'm going to drive
Atau?
my bike.
Oh, kunci.
Kunci bang, kunci.
Robin. Đâu? Anh sao? Cái nắm này.
Thank you, ate. See you sa kabilang mundo.
Hey.
Ala. Oh, gusto ko gid magkano.